So guys, again back with another video in this series of tutorial, and in this video we will be learning the most commonly used and popular method in JavaScript, which is called as length. So it is very simple guys. It will just return the number of character in that string. So I'll just quickly explain you that and demonstrate that with over here, and the body. I'll just open the script tag and make sure that guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that whenever I come up with some tutorials, crash courses and all of the programming related stuff, you will be getting notified by that when you click that subscribe button and the bell button as well. So now I'll just open some string object, and I'll just say in that say I'll just say America. So this is a string, and I'll just quickly console it to the log. Yeah, and over here, and just say str, save this file and refresh, and here we got the string America. And now what I will do, in order to get the length of that string, I need to just use length. That's it, str.length, and that's it guys. If I want to get the length of this string America, if I refresh the page, and here we are, the 7, right? So this is it. And make sure that there is no parentheses, brackets, this brackets for this length, because this is how it works in JavaScript. And as you can see, if we apply those brackets, it will give us an error. It's not a function, it's kind of a function, but it is not actually a function. And that's it. And make sure that you have it that thing. And of course we can also change America and then Spain, and that's it. And if refresh this, and we got the thing. That's it guys. This is just give the number of character, the count of the number of character in that string. And here we are, we got the thing. That's it. This is all about length method in JavaScript. It is so popular, it's so commonly used thing in JavaScript. It is used in string manipulation, string construction, text processing, and all of those stuff in client side. And I hope that it is very helpful for you, and see you in the next video.